You think you're stuck, but the real reason your life isn't changing is simple. You're playing everything too safe. Most people avoid failure, so they avoid hard things. And they're sort of in that comfort bubble of theirs. And they never get out of it. Why? Because it's comfortable. Who wants to do the hard things? Nobody. And that's why so few people are successful. That's why nobody that's why not everyone is making 50 million per month. You get the point. And I know that because that was actually me before. Sales is the first thing that works for me, but before sales I tried YouTube automation, I tried to get famous on TikTok, dropshipping, selling websites to local businesses. I tried everything, you name it, I tried it. And firstly, the first reason why all of that failed was because I was waiting for a perfect opportunity and was trying to make everything perfect. And that was my first mistake. Because when you try to wait for a perfect opportunity, like I can briefly tell you my story. I got an idea and I didn't execute on it. And I'm sure you can align yourself with it. You get an idea, you wait 1, 2, 3 months before you execute on it. And after you try, for example, if you try to do content, oh, I want to start YouTube, oh, I will make this great video. You plan everything out first. You make that one video, you don't get results, and you quit. I know that because that was me before. I tried to do everything of my best ability, and after I quit it after a week because I didn't see results. And then again I waited 2, 3, even 6 months before I started something new. And after the loop continued. And the truth is, because failure, it doesn't mean you're bad. Failure is proof of you actually trying to change your life. Alex Hormozy, for example, he had 9 businesses that failed. So why do you think that you will, for some magic reason, make $1 million overnight with dropshipping? That's not realistic, sorry. And again, the faster you fail, the faster you learn. But the thing is, you have 2 types of people. The first one, he fails, continues, fails, and that loops continues. Or you have the second person, fails, learn, fails, learn. And you need to be the second person, because if you fail, you need to take something out of it and implement it into your next try. You fail, learn, adjust, and move. And move with speed, because speed is the most important thing. And people delay actions because they want to avoid embarrassments, rejections. They try to not look stupid. And that's why they stay average. That's why they stay invisible to most people. If you want to achieve something in your life, and yeah, like if you're happy working a 9 to 5 for all of your life, like yeah, that's great. Like but here on this channel, I hope that most of the people watching me actually want to change their lives, that they want to do something great. And then you can't avoid hard things because you're scared of embarrassment, rejection, or looking stupid. You just need to go into it. You need to do it fast. You just need to throw yourself into it. Because failure, it doesn't slow you down, but avoiding failure does. Because the real thing slowing you down is actually not taking action. Because if you take action, you fail. That's not a bad thing, because you tried. And most people don't even try in this generation. And again, if you try again after you failed, that puts you like in the top 1% of people. You just need to keep going. You just need to throw yourself into it. Because if you want to live an exceptional life, if you want to live an extraordinary life, you need to be willing to look bad, to fail, to be embarrassed, to handle tons of rejection, and keep moving. And the keyword is to keep moving forward, always.